In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Trainline discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Trainline discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open this website. Right here, as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes available that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount off your next order, simply tap on this promotion right here and the promo code will show up. Right here, as you can see, you can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called wordpenny.com, and right here, as you can see, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts also. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount of rail cards at Trainline, simply select this promo code right here, and this is your voucher. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one in order to get the 20% discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.